8th A. Moreover, things get more clear when we discuss the numericals. Okay. So see the first one, the diagram 8.42. Read the question, everyone, till I drew the diagram. Everyone, read the question properly. Many of your queries will get solved here. We have the internal resistance. And we have the external resistance. G ammeter. How ammeter is connected in a circuit? Ammeter has to measure current. It has to be connected in series or parallel. It has to be connected in series or parallel. Series.
Series.
Okay, we are connected in series. And there's a voltmeter connected here.
Parallel.
Okay. Okay. This is our battery. This is complete our battery. And this represents internal resistance of the battery. Okay. So plus minus, this is our E. So diagram shows here how much is the EMF. EMF is given how much?
2 volt.
It is, so epsilon, I write with red. So it is epsilon equal to 2 volt. Okay. What more is given? An internal resistance of 1 ohm. This small r equal to 1 ohm. Okay. And the external resistance R equal to 4 ohm. Key is there. Okay. Now the ammeter A measures the current in the circuit. Voltmeter V measures the terminal voltage across the cell. What will be the reading of the ammeter and voltmeter when key K is open? Okay. When key K is open, is the circuit complete, closed or open? Circuit will be open. Circuit will be open. Yes or no? When it is open, what will be the V will be measuring? Whether it will measure the terminal voltage or it will measure the EMF. When both the terminals are open, it will measure the EMF. We have discussed that when the terminals are open, current flowing through the circuit is 0. 0 means no internal resistance. There will be no resistance offered because current flow is not there. So voltmeter will be showing what? Whatever the EMF of the cell is. So when the circuit is open, the voltmeter will show the EMF value. So how much it will be? Voltmeter reading. Okay. So voltmeter reading equal to 2 volts. What will be the ammeter reading?
0.
0. Why? Because circuit is open. When circuit is open, no current flows. Where will be the electron flow? It is similar like switch on off in your home. Switch is off, no current flows. Okay. But if you touch one terminal, there will be voltage. Okay. Next one, when key is closed. As keys get closed, now see EMF, all those are getting clear now. When key is closed, circuit is closed, current will flow through the circuit. When current flows, this internal resistance will be there. It will be offering, and what this time voltmeter will measure, whether it will be the EMF or the terminal voltage. Terminal voltage it will measure. This time it will measure the terminal voltage. Terminal voltage means the voltage that will be available at the terminals of the battery at this time when circuit is closed. Okay, and it will be less than EMF. So that terminal voltage will be available across the load. That terminal voltage will be available across the load. Understood? So how we can measure that one? How we can measure that one? What is the relation? Epsilon. This is EMF equal to terminal voltage plus how much?
Voltage drop.
Plus voltage drop. Good. Has your EMF get cleared, Anshul? Or still you have doubt? Anshul?
Sims, I will see the video and then it will be more clear.
Still you have doubt. Okay. See the video. If not, then ask on Monday. Okay. Voltage drop. This terminal voltage is across what? For example, current I is flowing. Current I is flowing. What we have to calculate V. Okay. So it will be how much? V is how much? IR plus I smaller. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this equal to I R plus R. So we are having this one equal to 2 volt. Resistance R equal to 4 ohm. And this equal to 1 ohm. So first we have to calculate I. Current flowing we can calculate. Okay, calculate it everyone fast. How much it is coming?
2/5.
2/5 amperes. We got the current flow. We got the current flow. Okay. We got the current flow. We can calculate now. Okay. Now we have to calculate what? V. Again the same equation only with, right? Or you can calculate that one as well. This V we require. Terminal voltage we require this time. It is how much? IR. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now see the question again. When the key is closed, when the key is open, the voltage available here on the terminals. Okay. This complete is cell. This complete is cell. So across the terminal, what is available? That will be EMF when key is open. So on the open terminals, what is available? That is epsilon. That is EMF. So voltmeter will be reading 2 volt EMF. Okay. But when key is closed, current will flow. Internal resistance will play its role, and because of that, the voltage available here, that is potential difference available, will be little less as compared to EMF, and that potential difference is called as terminal voltage. This is clear? Anshul, please mute yourself. This terminal voltage is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood now? Okay.
Vedant, please mute yourself. Sir, Vedant, mic is on.
Vedant, mute yourself. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay. So when the circuit is open, whatever voltage is available, what is the potential difference is available on the terminals, that will be our EMF. That is 2 volt, because no current is flowing, so internal resistance won't play its role. Okay. But when circuit is closed, across these two terminals, these are the terminals of the battery. What will be available? Terminal voltage when circuit is closed. Okay. So let it be V. So this voltage is available as well, because ammeter has how much resistance? What will be the resistance of ammeter? Very, very less or negligible. So we can avoid that. We'll be considering that this ammeter is having zero resistance. Okay. So now this whole potential will be available across this one. Yes or no? V.
Yes, sir.
This whole terminal voltage will be available across the resistance. Okay. And current flowing is how much? I. Okay. So first we have calculated the current flow. What will be the equation? This one.
EM equal to
Or you can write it directly this equation as well. V equal to IR plus I small r. Okay. And you can calculate the value of I, that is how much current is flowing through the circuit. So I came out to be 2/4. It will be how much? 0.4. 0.4 amperes. This much is the current flowing. And now see here, what will be the potential? What will be the potential across this resistance? That will be the terminal potential, terminal voltage. So V equal to IR we have calculated. So 0.4 into 4. How much you're getting? 1.6 volt. This is clear? Or we can calculate one more way. This equation we have written. This equation we have written.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And V we have to calculate. V we have to calculate. So how much is EMF? 2 volt. V we have to calculate. How much is current flowing? 0.4 into 1. So terminal voltage equal to 2 minus 0.4, that is 1.6 volt. Either you can calculate this way or this way. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This first question is very important, very basic. So try to go through it once again afterwards. Try to solve it. And if you don't get it, ask it on Monday, okay? Next questions are these are very easy, okay? Next one. Read the next question properly till I rub the board. Okay, everyone go through EMF, terminal voltage drop once again. Okay, revise them properly. I'll take one more class, 10 minutes I'll devote, and we'll discuss them, these terms again. Okay, so till then, you prepare from your side. Okay, try to understand as much as you can. Afterwards, one class, I'll give 10 minutes for discussing those terms as well. Okay. So next one is a battery of EMF 3 volt. So this time, what all are given? EMF equal to 3 volt. Supplies current through a circuit in which resistance can be changed. Resistance can be changed. Okay, it's variable resistance. A high resistance voltmeter is connected across the battery. So we are having a battery. This is our battery. Battery, this is internal resistance. So how much is EMF? 3 volt. This is our internal resistance. And this whole is a battery. This is a battery. Understood? Internal resistance and EMF. This is our battery. Okay, this is the terminal of the battery. Understood this one? Now what is being connected? A high resistance voltmeter is connected across the battery. So I'm connecting with blue. So across it, we have connected voltmeter. Okay, the signs will be plus and minus. This is being connected. Now, when the current is 1.5 amperes, the voltmeter
me, sir.
reads. Yes.
Sir, we have to draw the diagram.
Yes, you must draw the diagram. It is more easy to understand the things. Okay. In all questions you are going to draw. On all questions we are going to draw the diagrams. Okay, so battery EMF supplies current. Current is flowing in a circuit, so circuit is closed. Okay. Now, when the current is 1.5 amperes, voltmeter reads 2.7 volts. It means circuit is closed, current is flowing. How much current is flowing? 1.5 amperes. 1.5 amperes. And voltmeter reads how much volt? 2.7. So which volt potential difference is that? Is it a voltage drop or the EMF or the terminal voltage?
Terminal voltage.
Terminal voltage, you can see EMF is already provided 3 volt. This is terminal voltage, okay? So I'm using capital V, okay? We denote terminal voltage with capital V, okay? When the current is 1.5 amperes, voltmeter reads 2.7 volt. Find the internal resistance of the circuit. So it means the circuit is closed, okay? Some outside external resistance. Okay, ammeter. So this ammeter is reading 1.5 amperes when the circuit is closed. So we have to calculate its value. Okay, anyone in class, how you can calculate? There are many ways. Anyone in class? We can use the very basic formula.
Equal to
V.
voltage plus
V plus
IR.
Voltage
V.
drop.
Sir, V plus V is equal to E minus IR.
V equal to minus I about I. Okay, this is the basic formula we have remembered. Okay, this we all know. EMF equal to terminal voltage plus voltage drop. This is clear. EMF equal to terminal voltage plus voltage drop. Voltage drop is this. Current flow is how much? I. Okay. So EMF is given how much? 3.
3.
Terminal voltage 2.7 plus voltage drop. This voltage drop is across this resistance. Okay. This voltage drop value will be how much? IR? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Have you understood this one? So this voltage drop equal to how much? 3 minus 2.7. 3.3. So voltage drop across we got. And small v equal to IR. We can put here 0.3. R we do not know, that we have to calculate, but I we know, divided by 1.5. Calculate it.
Sir, V is equal to 0.3 or 0.9.
2.
0.9, how it can be 9?
So
3
0.2.
minus 2.7.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood? So 0.2, what will be the unit?
Ohm.
Ohm.
0.2 ohm.
So what is the internal resistance? 0.0 ohm. Have you understood? So basic formula is this one. You can see from the diagram as well. This is the total voltage. This V equal to I capital R, that is potential difference terminal voltage, plus this I small r, that is small v. If this is V across this one terminal, and here we have small v. So this potential difference equal to this plus this. We are using this equation only. So we must remember this one. EMF equal to terminal voltage plus voltage drop. Okay. Do the next one. Okay. Do the next one. Read the question. Try to do. So have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
If you don't understand, do ask. Okay. So next one we have a cell of EMF. So let me draw the circuit first. Okay. This time we have represented internal resistance below it. So plus minus 1.8 volt, and it is having internal resistance of 2 ohm. Okay, this internal resistance works only when current is flowing. When current is flowing, there is no case of internal resistance. So whatever voltage is across the voltmeter will be getting the EMF. Ammeter, then resistance R. This is our ammeter. Okay. And this ammeter is also having resistance. How much? 0.7 ohm. So this time we have to take this resistance into consideration as well. And this is how much? 4.5 ohm. This I'm writing capital R. This is our small r. Okay. And this is what? 1.8 volt terminal is given on something. EMF is given. Okay. So epsilon. So cell of EMF 1.8 internal resistance 2 ohm is connected in series with an ammeter of resistance 0.7. So ammeter is having resistance of 0.7 ohm and resistance of resistor of 4.5 ohm as shown in figure. So first, what would be the reading of the ammeter? What would be the reading of the ammeter? We have to find the current flowing. Okay. Okay. Very basic we have studied. We can go with that. V equal to IR. I equal to V by R. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here
Yes, sir.
V will be EMF divided by total resistance R equivalent. We can go with that. What will be the equivalent resistance? Calculate it, everyone. So it will be 2 plus 0.7 plus 4.5.
7.2.
7.2,
2.
1.8 divided by 7.2. Okay. I equal to 18 divided by 72. Okay. Are they cancelling? 9 and 18, it will be cancelling. How much? 72 divided by 18.
4.9.
1 upon 4. How much it is? 0.2. How much it is?
0.25. 0.25.
0.25 ampere. Have you understood? So very basic formulas, very basic. V equal to IR. Total resistance, EMF divided by total resistance. Is this clear? Current flow?
Sir, what you had written in
Yes.
that formula, I is equals to F bar downside.
Okay. R equivalent. That is total resistance of the circuit. Total resistance of the circuit is what? They are in series. 2 plus 0.7 plus 4.5. We have calculated that. That comes out to be 7.2. Decimal we have removed and we have calculated current. This is clear to everyone? Everyone? Okay. What is the potential difference across the terminals of the cell? What is the potential difference across the terminals? So we have to calculate. So terminal, this terminal, this terminal. We have to calculate. Okay. That will be which one? Circuit is closed. Terminal voltage. Terminal voltage you have to calculate. So what was the formula? V plus voltage drop. Voltage drop, EMF we already know, 1.8 volt. V we have to calculate. How we can calculate small v? Anyone, how we can calculate small v? Current we already know. R we know. So how much it is coming? Voltage drop, 0.25 into 2. How much? 0.5 volt. Is this fine? Small v of v we have to calculate. It will be IR. So 1.8 equal to V plus IR is how much? 0.25 into 2. 1.8 equal to V plus 0.5. Terminal voltage equal to how much? 1.8 minus 0.5. How much it is? 1.3 volt. Have you understood this one? Everyone have understood issue? For the first time I have seen you, I think. Issue? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking issue. Yes, issue.
So your favorite student is not responding.
I think I have to change the favorite student. I need someone who responds.
Yes. Sure.
Okay. So have you understood this one?
Sir, he have network issue.
Okay. Issue is having some issues. Okay. Okay. So this is fine. Have you understood all? Have you understood
Yes.
them? So
Sir.
only very basic formula we have used. Okay. So in every question, very basic formula will be used. V equal to IR or EMF equal to potential, that is terminal voltage plus voltage drop. Okay. These two formulas only we have used. Okay. Do the next one. Okay. Read the next one till I put the adapter. Read the next one. Okay, next question is, the music system draws a current of 400 milliamperes when connected to a 12-volt battery. Okay. Music system draws a current of this much when connected to a 12-volt battery. What is the resistance of the music system? Okay, this is very easy. So music system draws a current when connected to a 12-volt battery. So 12-volt battery will be the terminal voltage. 12-volt battery draws a current. Okay. What will be the resistance? So resistance, can you calculate? Calculate it fast. You have the 1 second. Give me 1 minute only. No, I just got. The plug got unplugged. Okay. Don't worry about light, it won't go. Okay, do it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
But sir, in my book, it is not any question. Means fourth question is a battery of EMF 15 volt and
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay, you may have the old book or what?
Sir, yes, sir.
220. Okay, so do one thing. Okay, those who have the old book, okay, text me on WhatsApp or I will do one thing. In a group, I will click the pick and send. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll check with the old notebook. I have the old notebook. So what is being written outside? It's 2021.
Means sir,
On the book.
outside.
On the book cover. Book cover is it 2021.
No, sir. Only 2020 is written.
Okay, that's very old. Okay. So those who have this, send me individually. I'll send them. Okay. I'll send them individually rather than on the group. Okay. So fourth one in music system. Read the question. Music system draws a current of 400 milliamperes. Okay. So music system, it draws a current of 400 milliamperes when connected to a 12-volt battery. This is being given. Calculate the resistance of the music system. What will be the resistance? V equal to IR we have studied. R will be what? V upon I. Okay. So anything we have to do it. It is milliamperes. It is volt. We have to convert it into amperes. How much it will be? Anyone in class? 10 raised to power
3 minus 3.
minus 3 amperes. Okay. Now divide them. 12 divided by 400 into 10 raised to power minus 3. This will be on 12 into 1000. It will come in numerator 10 raised to power 3 divided by 400. 2 zeros get cancelled. You get the answer. How much you are getting? 30?
30.
30 off. Clear? Okay, do the second part. The music system, if left playing for hours, finally when the music system, if left playing for several hours, so for several hours it has been playing. So, and finally the battery voltage drops and the music system stops playing when the current drops to 320 milliamperes. So with time the battery voltage drop take place and current reduces to 320 milliamperes. Current reduces to 320 milliamperes. Okay, at what battery voltage does the music system stop playing? This time we have to calculate V. How we can calculate V? We are having current
The
I.
formula.
Formula, which formula?
EMF is equals
We don't
to E
require
plus
that
voltage
formula.
drop.
We don't require that formula. See here, at what battery voltage does the music system stop playing? At what battery voltage does the music system stop playing? Current is already given. It means see at what this terminal voltage only we are playing. This is 12 volt is terminal voltage. EMF not into consideration now. Internal resistance of the cell is not provided. No EMF is provided, so we are not considering EMF. This is the terminal voltage you'll be considering. V equal to 12 volt. Here as well, terminal voltage. You can see here, resistance we have calculated. It means we have taken this as terminal voltage. This is the resistance of the music system. So this is our terminal voltage. Similarly here, this current is flowing. What will be available? Terminal voltage. And this we have to calculate. So what is the voltage drop? At what voltage does the music system stop playing? So at what battery voltage, that voltage will be available across the music system. Okay. This V. Earlier it was 12 volt. Now with time as it was playing, this voltage has dropped. This available voltage has dropped. And we have to calculate the new value. So how we can calculate? Earlier the current was flowing this much and resistance we have calculated. So will the resistance change or the resistance remain same? Resistance will be same, the load will be same. Now current flowing is how much? 320 milliamperes. And this voltage we have to calculate. What is the new voltage? Can we calculate? V equal to IR. I will be 320 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 30 ohm. Okay, calculate it. 9.123
9.6.
9.6.
volt. Understood it?
Yes.
Okay, we stop here. These 4 questions, go through once again. They are very important little bit. Okay, so you must go through them. Okay. From 6th question onwards, they are very easy. 6th question onwards, they are very easy. Okay. Is this clear?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. 8th class students are already coming in class now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So when we are watching these recorded videos on YouTube, so we are not able to view the full